Hello, I am Brian David Phillips, and welcome to Adventure in the Blue Monkey Forest, a trance time guided imagery experience in which you'll journey into a magical forest, meet playful blue monkeys, and explore a world filled with wonder and joy. This is a guided imagery, so let's begin. Go ahead and let yourself sink into a deep level of relaxation. Take a nice long breath. Fill up your lungs really good. Breathe all the way in and hold it for a moment. And as you breathe out, gently close your eyes, letting a wave of relaxation wash over your entire body. Keep your eyes closed and follow your breathing. Take a few deep breaths, releasing any tension that you carry in your body as you breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out, and relax. Breathing in, breathing out, and relax. Let yourself become loose, limp, and relaxed. Breathe in, breathe out, and relax. Good. Now with each breath, let yourself imagine yourself becoming more and more relaxed. Feel yourself sinking deeper and deeper and deeper into relaxation with each and every breath out. Now, in your mind, picture yourself standing at the edge of a beautiful, lush forest. The trees are tall, with leaves that sparkle like emeralds in the sunlight. The air is fresh and filled with the sweet scent of flowers. You take a step into the forest, and the ground feels soft under your feet, like a cushion made of moss. As you walk deeper into the forest, you hear the sound of laughter and chatter. Curious, you follow the sounds until you come upon a clearing, and there, to your amazement, you see a group of playful blue monkeys swinging from the trees, their fur as blue as the sky on a clear summer day. They notice you and with friendly eyes invite you to join in their fun. You spend some time with the blue monkeys, playing hide and seek and exploring the magical forest. They show you their favorite spots, a waterfall that sparkles with rainbow mist, and a hidden grove where the rarest flowers bloom. The blue monkeys are kind and share with you the secrets of the forest, like how to talk to the birds and dance with the butterflies. As you play and explore, you feel a sense of happiness and freedom, enjoying the magic of this enchanted place and the company of your new friends. After a few moments of silence, let your imagination wander. You will now have a few minutes of clock time to explore, which is all the time you need. You may begin now. Now it's time to gently bring your attention back to the room. Begin to bring yourself back to full awareness. In a moment, I'll count from 1 to 5. At the count of 5, you'll open your eyes feeling fully alert, awake and carrying with you all the joy and wonder from your adventure in the Blue Monkey Forest. 1, 2, feeling the energy returning to your body. 3, 4, feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. And 5, eyes open, fully aware, feeling wonderfully refreshed and carrying with you the happiness from your magical adventure.